Hi, I want to address the why did I join Satsman question. What do I love about it? Well, the truth is, I love several things about it. I know the guy that created it very well. We've been friends for over 8 years now, and I trust him implicitly. That's one very good reason. The second reason I love it is because I enjoy the daily interaction with the site that I have, the missions, and I'll cover that very briefly after I deal with number three. Number three is all about rewards. Everybody's concerned about rewards. The idea in their head is if you can join Satsman for free, it's clearly worthless. So not true. Here's the thing, if you join Satsman, even if you join it at the free level, all you have to do is consistently, day by day, go on site, complete 3 simple missions as a free member, and you will earn Satoshis. And you will also build up something called a streak bonus by consistently doing it. If you're not prepared to keep doing it day by day by day, yeah, you're not going to earn a thing. So let's deal with the value question, because the clear problem some people have is they go, well, it takes so many Satoshis before they become worth anything. Completely untrue, because everybody is doing the wrong thing. They're looking at them in today's terms. And the reality is, Bitcoin, you can see the price here, $73,917 per Bitcoin, is on a bit of a low. It got a bit of a bashing this year after having hit $126,000 last year. But here's something people don't realize. The fact that it's dropped into this kind of $70,000 range is perfect for us at Satsman. Let me explain why. If you think in terms of how much is my Satoshi worth today with Bitcoin at 73,900, you're thinking along the wrong path completely. Here's why a lower value Bitcoin right now does us favors. If I scroll down here a bit on this page, which is the how it works page, you will see this bit here, our sustainability promise. The reason that Satsman are able to pay out Satoshis every day to now more than 14,500 members is because they take a big chunk of subscription revenues and throw it in that payout pot, and they also have an increasing amount of revenue coming in from sponsorship deals. And guess what? The more people that come into Satsman, the easier those sponsorship deals are to obtain, and the more they pay out. So bigger and bigger sponsors, more and more sponsors, more money available to put into the Satsman payout pot. And right now, you saw the value of Bitcoin. Let me just quickly go back. It's moved to $74,045 as I speak. That's the current value. That puts us in this range here, the 0 to 100,000 range. That's the biggest amount of Satoshi payout you're going to find in Satsman. All the while Bitcoin stays under 100,000, that's the big old chunk of Satoshis we're getting paid out every day. When it drops into the 100 to 150,000 range, in other words, it goes back up to where it was tail end of last year, we're going to see a drop in the number of Satoshis that are available to pay out. Again, at 200,000, another drop, 250,000, another drop, so on and so forth. So do you see what I mean? Right now, while we're in this block, is the best time to be in Satsman. Not later, not when Bitcoin's gone up in value. Right now, when we're getting the best value per day. So now is the time to come in. And what you have to do very simply is come in as a free member. You do these 3 basic missions. They take less than a minute each. You'll watch the odd ad if you're a free member. If you subscribe, by the way, you don't have to watch ads. A bit like the Amazon Prime TV channel. No ads at all if you subscribe at the top level. This works in the same way. If you subscribe as a Pro or Pro Max member, you don't have to watch any ads. Not that they're particularly difficult to watch, and they're about 30 seconds long, if that. So you do 3 missions. Price discovery, where it gives you a price in dollars. You can see it here. You open up the calculator, you say how many Satoshis is $35. It gives you the answer. The answer will be one of these 4. You click the one you think is correct, press complete mission. Fact of the day, here's a fact about Bitcoin. This one says that the Bitcoin Improvement Proposal BIP process allows community-driven upgrades. The answer is down below. Improvement Proposal. Tick, complete mission. And the third one is just your opinion. What do you think? Should Bitcoin have a birthday? This one says. And if I clicked every day as Bitcoin Day and then click complete mission or whatever, I can click any of them because it's an opinion. They're the 3 missions free members have to do. When you upgrade, you can also get your hands on Sat Cipher every day, which is brilliant. It's a little word puzzle. You have to find out what the 5-letter word is within 6 attempts. The quicker you get it, the more Satoshis you earn. And finally, Sat Stack, which I adore. That's the latest one, where you just move the tiles around using the arrow keys on your keyboard or on your mobile, and then you make bigger and bigger blocks. It's absolutely brilliant. It has me hooked every single day. So it's fun. Along the way, you're also learning about Bitcoin. But that's it. That's all you have to do. And if you do it consistently day by day, you are going to earn more sats. And then if you share it with other people, you'll earn even more sats. So why do I love it? Because at 74,000 Bitcoin value right now, I'm getting more sats than I will when Bitcoin increases in value. And I hold those sats. Guess what? They're going to be worth more and more and more as the Bitcoin price explodes in the future. And there are people, sensible people out there, who think that Bitcoin will eventually get to 500,000, even $1 million. Who knows? Now, finally, just before I finish, I make no claims about what you can earn here. There's no guarantee you earn anything at all. If you join and then you don't go in and do the missions daily, you're not going to earn one solitary Satoshi. But if you get consistent, you get the habit. I've been doing missions now consistently every single day for almost 4 months. I don't fail. In the morning, first thing I do, 5 minutes on the Satsman site, and I'm earning Satoshis. There you go. Now, there's a link in the description below the video. You click on that, you can join, and I hope you do. You still here? What are you waiting for? Join Satsman.